Hi everyone, it's Sarah. So I am back to share with you a few things that I picked up from Cartwright's Sequins. So as you guys know, if you've been following me for any amount of time, you know that I love Cartwright Sequins. I've been buying from them for probably about 3 years now. If you're new to my channel, I do have a playlist, a sequin haul playlist that I will link down below. I think that you might find it helpful when you're, looking on their website and trying to determine different colors or sizes or shapes or whatever. So, like I said, I've been buying from them for 3 years, so I have a lot of their colors, like a lot of their colors. Don't judge. But anyway, so they have a lot of new of the confettis and the confetti mixes, which I am super excited about. But I went on their website because I was in the process of, or I wanted to make a shaker card, and so I got these note cards from Michaels. I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen them. And I do have a tutorial on how to create shaker cards very, very easily using note cards from Target or Michaels or wherever, and some clear plastic bags. Super, super easy. I have a tutorial. I'll link that down below. But yeah, so I wanted to, make a shaker card, like I said. And the silver holographic sequins that I do have, they didn't really match. And I did have one pack of these crystal, these are called crystal opaque, and I'll show you a bunch of them that I got. But I feel like the crystal opaque matches perfectly with this, hollow that we all love. And as you can see, I think it really looks cute. There's another color in here, but I'll point that out when I get to it. But yeah, so this is just I'm gonna put some foam tape on the back and pop this onto my card base, and that will be done. But yeah, so that was the main reason why I went onto the site, because I wanted more of that crystal opaque in white. I'm sorry, you guys, my voice is going out. I was at work all night, and I got this package on Friday, and I really wanted to make the video, but I had to work this weekend, so yeah. Just bear with me. So let's just get started. All right, so like I said, I'll point out the new things that I found. We'll start with the crystal opaque in white, because, like I said, that was the main reason why I went on there and found a bunch of new stuff. So here's a confetti mix. Really, really pretty. And these are the white 5mm. Slightly cupped, again in that same color. I also got them in 4mm, so you can see this. Okay, so you can see the size difference here: 4mm, 5mm, and then I also got 6mm. So for size comparison, there you go. These are new, and these are the white, again, it's that same crystal opaque and white, white flat flower in 4mm, and these are so pretty. And these are really, really pretty. Okay, these are repurchase, and these are the stars, 5mm, and I did use them in that card that I just showed you. And these are the flowers, 5mm flowers. Okay, this is white out, and this is one of their confetti mixes. So it just has a variety of the different, white confettis. Here is white iridescent. And again, that's that opaque color. And here's white, and this is the satin, which I love their satin sequins. So I'm really happy that they have a bunch of new satin confetti colors. Okay, here's the crystal AB, and this is crystal iris. So you can see the difference here. So the crystal AB, and then this is, or the crystal iris, and then the crystal opaque. So I feel like the crystal iris has kind of like a yellow undertone. I mean, they're still very pretty, but just to show you the difference, in case you're, wondering, that's the difference there. Okay, so I think that's it for the white. And then these are just the silver. So I got them in 5 and 6 millimeters. So these are the silver, slightly cupped hologram. So these are still very, very pretty. It just wasn't what I wanted for that particular. I mean, actually, these, I probably could have mixed these in, and they would have been really pretty. But so that's that, and the hologram. And then I got the silver metallic confetti, and then also the gold metallic confetti. Alright, so here's some mixed colors, and these are the crystal iris. So I got one, these are 4 millimeter. So these are all the 4 millimeter crystal iris. And I got them because I wanted to see the different colors that they offered. And then this is the mix. So it's just different sizes, but the same colors. But you can kind of see how it has that kind of yellowish undertone. But still very pretty. These would be so cute in like a birthday party or birthday card with a lot of colors in the different papers. All right, let's move on to, okay, I got yellow. So I've just got one yellow. And this is the satin in lemon yellow confetti. Let's move on to the pinks. This is primrose, and this is the crystal iris. So again, you're going to see kind of like that yellow undertone, but still very pretty. It's like a really hot pink. And this is ballerina pink, and this is the crystal iris again, confetti mix. All right, these are the satin. So this is the light pink confetti, and then this is pink. So if you're, just for a color comparison, you guys are thinking you want, if you're thinking this is like what you would consider pink, it's really light pink. And then the pink is more like a dark pink, I would say. And this is carnation confetti mix. Again, this is that crystal iris. So you get that really pretty iridescent in that. And then these are new, the confetti blends, and the bag had a little bit of a hole in it, so I just put it in this little baggie here until I put it in my storage container. So this is Princess, and these are just a mix of all the different pinks that they have in the confetti. How pretty is that? Oh my goodness, so gorgeous. Okay, so that's all of the pinks. So this is Blue Bayou, and I didn't think that I don't think I have this color, so I picked that up. I always try to get like their new colors because, I just have to have them. This is 4 millimeters in Blue Bayou. My hands look so dry. I should have put some lotion on. Okay, so this is the Pale Ocean Blue Green Satin Confetti. Gorgeous, gorgeous. This is Oceanside, and this is the, what is that? The Crystal Opaque. So very pretty. This is perfect for like mermaid themed projects. This is going to be perfect for that. Okay, then I got turquoise in the satin confetti. This is Atmosphere. It's blue. It's kind of looking more purple. It kind of has like a purplish look to it, but it's really pretty. So that's Atmosphere. And I would actually probably mix a bunch of these together for a really cool, like mermaid sequin mix. This is Skyline, and this is the Crystal Iris confetti mix. Really pretty. This is one of their new mixes. And this is the Constellation, or blends, Confetti blend in Constellation. And it's just like a bunch of blues, dark blue, light blue, satin, crystal iris, crystal opaque, just really pretty. So I got that. And then this is, it says TLC, but I'm thinking it's like TLC, or maybe they were trying to make a play on words. TLC, like the group, if you guys know them. But anyway, so this is TLC. So really pretty. Again, perfect for like those mermaid themed projects. Gorgeous. Love those. Okay, so that's all the blues. And then lastly, I got a bunch of purple colors. So here, this is a new color. I think it's pronounced hyacinth. And this is 4mm. And I did not have this color purple, so I, like I said, had to have it. Really pretty. Alright, so the rest of these are the confetti. So this is dark purple. Sorry for that glare. Dark purple satin confetti. And then light purple. So you can see the color difference there. And then this is that new color. So it's kind of like in between those two colors. Alright, so this is the Wild Orchid Crystal Iris Confetti Mix. Really pretty light purple. And this is Periwinkle Crystal Opaque Confetti. So you can see the difference, hopefully. There. It's showing up. There is a slight difference. And then lastly, I have Purple Rain. And this is, again, one of their confetti blends. So, gosh, just so pretty. So, that's the Periwinkle. I just kind of threw some of those in there just to kind of break it up a little bit. And I wanted to keep it fairly flat. So, that kind of worked out. So, that is it, you guys. So, those are the new sequins. I hope you enjoyed watching my little haul, and hopefully you'll find it helpful when you pick out your sequins. I mean, they really have a bunch of gorgeous, gorgeous colors, and the shipping is fast. The price is very, very reasonable. I mean, under $2 for even the most expensive ones, which I believe might have been like $1.60 or so. Most of them are less than that. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, check out the links down below if you want to see some more of my sequin hauls and some of the shaker cards that I've created. I think that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching, liking, and subscribing. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.